Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for a friend's daughter called Charlie. Now, Charlie's written a brilliant poem about a panda, and I thought that would be great to illustrate. So, before we start, I thought it would be good to read out the poem so you understand what the picture's all about. It's called Panda Lullaby. Hush, little panda, don't you cry. Dada's gonna bake you a bamboo pie. And if that bamboo pie goes stale, Dada's gonna buy you a diamond tail. And if that tail doesn't glimmer, Dada's gonna buy you a pot of glitter. And if that glitter doesn't glow, Dada's gonna buy you a great big bow. And if that great big bow falls down, you're still the sweetest panda in town. And that's what we're going to draw. Let's make a start. We'll begin with the nose. We'll put this towards the top of the page to give us room for the rest of the body. Colour that in. Next we'll do sort of muzzle around the mouth. Just going to stop there because this panda's going to be chomping on some bamboo. I was reading that they spend up to 14 hours a day eating bamboo. You can get through 12 to 38 kilos of it in one day, which is incredible. So let's have one of the eyes here. It's almost like bean shaped. Put the eye the other side. Similar shape, mirrored. Put the eyeballs in. The pupils. Concentrating on that bamboo, really enjoying it. Let's put in that bow that was described in the poem. It's a great big bow. You wouldn't normally see this in the wild, but this is a cartoon. We can do what we want. If you want to put a hat on it, you can do that. Come round for the face. Give it some big cheeks there, stuffed full of the bamboo. This paw here is just grasping hold of that. And I was reading that pandas apparently have 6 digits on their forepaws to help them grasp hold of the bamboo and shape it into almost like a roll to make it easier for them to eat. The ear in, big ear that side. Side as well with the cheeks. Now I'm not going to colour in the panda just yet. I'll leave that to the end. Put the other ear in. This leg's going to be almost as though it's kind of sat down on the floor enjoying its meal. Have the other foot kind of sticking up in the air. And if I'm going a little bit too fast, just remember you can always pause the video, catch up, press play, put the claws in. Just 5 on the bottom feet. Sort of pads they have on their soles of their feet. Now put the other arm just relaxing here. They look quite human when they're sat down. They often prop themselves up against rocks and just chill out. They spend quite a lot of their day just relaxing. And let's just put in that diamond tail. With some light blings coming off it. Quite a magical panda, this. Body sort of coming around the side there. Shadow. Just put these little markings on the bamboo. Let's put some foliage in as well, some leaves reaching into the scene, drawing the eye into the panda. You can just be quite quick and carefree with the way you draw these. Plants are never really perfect, so just block in the grass at the back here, and the ferns and the start of the bamboo forest. Now, what else was in the poem? A pot of glitter. Let's put that down here. Handle on there. Some glitter in, some magical sparkles. Bit of a light shine on that tin. Put another shadow on there as well. Before I forget, let's sort out the panda's belly. Start on this bamboo forest. See how I'm kind of cutting in at points, and I'll do the same the other side. And bamboo kind of grows in these sort of sections like this. Do that again. I was reading that although they have really sharp teeth, all that pandas eat is bamboo and fruit. And they actually don't like to live in groups. They like their own company and being alone. Right, let's put that in there. Surprisingly, given their size, they're apparently very good climbers. You find it easy to climb up in these sort of forests and perch themselves in the tree. And again, nibble on some more bamboo. It seems like they spend the vast majority of their day doing that. I'll have this one just slightly bent just to a little bit different. Okay, this scene's coming together. Get a little bit quicker now as we get used to drawing this bamboo. Put the lines in. Let's finish those last two off. Maybe some thinner ones in the background. I was also reading that pandas are actually born pink and furless, and they only become black and white as they get older and the fur grows. Apparently there are some rare pandas in the world who are brown and white. That looks more like a bamboo forest now. Put some more of these lines in just to give a bit of texture. One last one. Let's put some more foliage in the foreground here. We can be quite haphazard with this. Just gives an idea, an impression of textures and leaves. Sometimes the quicker you are with things like this, the better they look if you spend too long being too precise. And there we have it. There is the panda from Charlie's poem, with the bow on its head, the bucket of glitter, the diamond tail. But I have noticed I've left off the bamboo pie. And given how much bamboo they eat, it's sure to go hungry. So, with a click of the fingers, there's the pie, and there's the panda all coloured in. I do hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Just remember to subscribe to see all the new videos that get released on the Art channel, and if you know friends or family members who you think would really enjoy drawing a panda, then share this with them and challenge them to draw one. And and if you want to make a suggestion like Charlie's mum did, then you can leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and you can leave me a message and maybe I'll choose your idea for the next drawing. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again next time on Ad Art. Bye for now.